Have you noticed how everybody nowadays wants everything done for them without lifting a single frigging finger? Fast food, fast internet, and now fast game development. People are so darn lazy. AI make the graphics, write the music, generate the plot, upload the videos, and reply to comments. What is next? AI, please wipe my butt. Look at Toby Fox. Man drew 5 MS Paint doodles, slapped together 4 looping chiptunes, and made $100 million on Undertale. Now devs think Toby was lazy, but I can be even lazier. I do not even want to draw stick figures. Developers do not even want to put in the effort to talk to real women anymore. Why bother? When you can type a prompt and bam, dream Japanese AI girlfriend who plays video games and is interested in talking about how the moon landing was staged. Which it totally was. It was shot in a basement in Ohio. Enter artificial intelligence, the glorious savior of lazy people everywhere. You type 3 sentences and generate a game. You did not make a game, you placed an order at a drive-thru. Yeah, give me a double jump with a side of ray tracing. And here is the big secret, it feels like absolute trash when it is done. It is completely unsatisfying. Real game dev is supposed to be a nightmare. You sit in front of a monitor at 3 in the morning, smelling like cold coffee and broken dreams, screaming at Clickteam Fusion because a sprite will not walk left. Then you fix one collision box, hit play, and it works. In that second, you feel like a god. Art requires friction, pick up an engine, write bad code, suffer a little. Because when it finally works, at least it actually means something. Apologies to Toby Fox. Unfortunately, we are out of time. See you guys in the next video.